Hi, I'm Alana with JLaVu Jewelry. I am going to be unboxing my White Rose Crafts mystery box. It's not a subscription or anything, it was just a mystery box from the company and I thought I wanted to try it out. They have a few different clubs that you can join, or maybe one club, I'm not sure how many clubs they have online. But I wanted to try this mystery box out and see what happened. So enjoy the adventure with me. This one is Jilly Bean Soup from Hampton Art. It's 24 pieces, corrugated shapes, butterflies, and flowers. Oh, here, it shows you all the different shapes on the back. And then we have Recollections. These are school themed, which is really cute. I'm assuming that these are probably discontinued items, but it doesn't matter because, I mean, people don't stop going to school. These don't stop liking butterflies. This is a Recollections. These style of stickers from Recollections go for a little bit over $4 is what I was noticing at retail price. So this one's cool. And we have Mambi stickers, inspirational stickers. They're really pretty. I like the colors. And then this one is Yuletide adhesive chipboard K & Company. And these are really cute. I'm already starting to make my Christmas cards. Since I do craft shows, it's a good time to start, is the end of September. And we have another Mambi sticks. This is Birthday. And then this one is Recollections adhesive borders. Now, I've been at Michael's a couple of times this last week because of the big sales I've been having. I saw nothing like this. So this is really cool. I think it's going to be very useful. Oh, here's all the different styles you have. So very, very happy looking styles. I don't know why they stopped making those. Seems real cool. Oh my god, this one speaks to my heart. This is a theater pack. I love Broadway musicals and I have season tickets to see Broadway musicals in Cleveland. So this really speaks to my heart. I might do a shadow box with this one and like put my tickets from the shows I've been to in there. I don't know yet, that might be saved. All right, this one is a Recollections dimensional stickers. These are all wedding themed. This one's Recollections as well, bicycling. These are again the dimensional stickers that are like $4 each. This is Recollections rhinestone sheet. Okay, so I have some of these out already, and you have to cut them because you can't just peel off the rhinestone because the silver back is important, so you're gonna have to like cut them again along the lines if you get a sheet of this. Just something I noticed. Pink's my favorite color. And this one is Paper House 3D stickers, all Hawaii themed. Who doesn't want to go to Hawaii? And then this one's Life's Little Occasions, a sports medley. Let's see what this says. Oh no, just sticker medley. So these are sports. Stickers that say 5th grade. This one is Chalk It Now from K & Company. Some really cool chalkboard style stickers. I'm like starting to run out of room on the table. Oh, this is a nice big sheet. These are Mick glitter stickers, acid free. I've got like all these cute little things. These are kind of a baby themed, although I see that some of the designs aren't necessarily gonna have to be for baby. Like these flower borders here wouldn't necessarily have to be used in a baby thing. These are me and my big ideas soft spoken. These are all two cool little word things. Something that I would think like preteen girls or something like that. This is fabulous, cool, LOL. Okay, another one is K and Company. These look like owls and butterflies and rainbows. 51 pieces, that's a lot of stickers. Another K and Company sticker sheet. Live, love, laugh, bliss, our journey, good times. So happy sayings. Just good, I like happy things. So I'm just gonna grab a handful. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's double-sided adhesive, which I can never have enough of. I use this kind of thing all the time. I usually use the tape rollers, but I won't say no to that either. These ones are soft spoken me and my big ideas embellishments. They're all like raised stickers. These look like they are baby girl. We have me and my big ideas soft spoken embellishments, firefighter. Some super cool patriotic ones from K and Company. This one is Paper House, Mommy's Little Man. So these are all like baby boy stickers. I know a lot of people are having babies right now, so I'm going to be making a lot of baby cards. This one looks like party. Time to celebrate, it's your day. Holla and Fiesta. That was a confetti company. Oh no, this is another K and Company. This one's a Recollections. This is baby. And it's got some pink in it, but I would say it's pretty gender neutral. This one's soft spoken embellishments. Baby boy. Oh, I have to use this one like right away because I am doing an Oktoberfest this weekend, so I'll be making some things with this one for sure. This is Recollections, German type things. Yeah, this will be perfect for doing some Oktoberfest cards. These are Recollection stickers. They're silver hearts, and they say I do. Also, I have a lot of weddings coming up, so I have to make some wedding cards. This is a Key Metro Garden paper pad, 32 sheets, 2 of each 16 designs. And it looks like they're double-sided. They're a plain color on one side and then patterned on the other, so that's going to be cool. These go for anywhere between $6 to $10 in the store. I don't know about the brand, but oh, it's Hampton Art. That's the average price I see for a 6x6 paper, so this is a great value already. I got way more than $40 that I've shown you, and I still have more in the box. These are Dreamweaver stencils, copyright 2003. I don't care if it is 16 years old, they're still cute, and it still works. Obviously it's brand new and never been used. So add some more interest to my thing. Another thing looks like double-sided adhesive, I'm assuming. These are SS stickers, handmade. These are all like dad themed, so you could do dad birthday or Father's Day cards with that, or scrapbooking if you're a scrapbooker. Oh, a die set. This looks like it's old, but again, I don't care. It's not like shapes and these kinds of things go out of style or something. These are Cuddlebugs dies, and it says you can use them in You should be able to use them in any of the things, but it says it works best for Cuttlebug. I have a cheap one from China, which I'm going to use. It says the original price was $8.99. And then $2, so I guess it went on sale or something. But these are cool, funky little square shapes. I'm just gonna grab all the rest of this stuff out and try not to look at it so I don't ruin the surprise. Oh boy, it's Distressed Inks. This is Dusty Concord. These go for like $6, and they have the little refill ink dropper thing so that when this runs out of ink, you can always just refill it. Yeah, I haven't bought any of these yet because, you know, they're kind of expensive. So I'm excited. This is another Distress ink, Tim Holtz. This one's called Mowed Lawn. So I'll have to see the different kinds of things you can do with these Distress inks. So right there, like $12. Now I've got some of these little washi tapes. There are not a lot on these, but that's okay. I don't typically use a lot of washi tape. So a roll of washi tape, a regularly sized roll, lasts me a very long time. These look like cats or some sort of a creature enjoying music. Maybe dogs. I don't know. I like both. So these, another washi tape. Says, I heart you, fresh, sweetie. So these are all like happy fruits, I guess. And then there's this one, which looks like a monkey to me. Thank you. Have a good day. So like, again, happy saying washi tape. Another Jelly Bean Soup from Hampton Art. 24 pieces of the corrugated shapes. Family, me, smile, play, today, joy, life, at, love, cool, and you. These are some Doodles Paper Playground sequins. Sparkle and blend sequin mixes. So I'm assuming these are probably for shaker cards. I haven't done them yet, but I'll hold on to this to do with the shaker card. This kind of looks like a Christmas theme. Then I've got a Recollections Party. That's really cool and sparkly. I'm like mesmerized by the glitter. And then this. I don't know if these are stickers or if it's cutouts. It kind of looks like a bookmark to me. I think they might be stickers. Nope. Okay, so these are things that you could probably cut out or keep it as a bookmark. Make some cute little baby themed things. It doesn't say with a brand or anything on it, it's just cute. These are soft spoken daughter embellishments from My Big Ideas. And there was some things that I did learn about using some of these stickers. Sometimes these don't stick very well, even if you buy them all brand new and they're not like an older discontinued product. And I just take my double-sided tape or double-sided tape runner, actually here's the one I use, and I just run that along the little foamy part, and this makes it stick really well. So if you ever have a problem with something not sticking, use one of those. Doilies. Well, this is going to be interesting. I haven't thought of what I would do for doilies. I mean, they look like coasters, something you put your drink on or something, but I bet I can come up with a cool card. Maybe I'll dye them with some of those Distressed ink. Paper? White Rose Crafts LLC. Or is this like some sort of a photo paper? Okay, so these are holiday prints. They look bigger than a 6x6 square, but they're probably a 6x6 square. That's pretty. And then the very last thing I have is little occasion 16-piece stickers. So that's a lot. Let's count quickly. I have to get going. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, oh my god, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46 items. Wow. That's a lot. So, like I said, it was like $42 or something along those lines. So you're paying less than $1 an item if you divide it all out. So that's an excellent price. I would definitely have to recommend this to anyone. Okay, so here are a couple of the cards that I made with the Oktoberfest / German style stickers that I got in this mystery box. This one here, I used some glitter glue and I followed like the German style flag colors. And then this one here, I used some more of the hats. Like this actually has feathers on it, so I like to touch it. I really like how this one turned out. I'm quite a fan. The other one, not so much. But, you know, it's okay. Just be sure to follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, whatever you want. And don't forget to follow my Instagram as well. I'll have the links there. And I will also have the link for White Rose Crafts on here. So if you like this mystery box too, you can purchase your own. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not paid for my opinion. I bought the box and just wanted to share the adventure with you guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again.